Alright, so the first episode I ever filmed for you guys was a Serpentine Belt. And we're going to do it all again. Because now, we're over 6,000 subscribers later, and we film everything in HD. Alright, so just checking out the engine, and this is our Serpentine Belt, and to understand what we've got going on down here, all we need to do is take our owner's manual real quick. Open it up, and then scroll to the back. And then what we're going to be looking for is belts. So we got B, and then belts, C drive belts, 818. And that diagram right there looks remarkably like that down there. So we've got our power steering pump and our alternator, and it's all being run off of the engine. And so right here we've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this one's not labeled and this one's not labeled. 1 being the power steering pump, so we're good, we know where everything is. But that one that's not labeled, we got the power steering pump, and then we've got the alternator, and this is the one that's not labeled. Well, that one that's not labeled, when we look at it closer, we can see that this is the outside of the belt, and this is actually the inside of the belt. So the inside of the belt is not contacting this pulley at all. It is contacting all these other pulleys, but that is how we know that this is the tensioner pulley, and that this is the one that we're going to need to be doing the adjustments to. So to remove the belt, all we need to do is loosen the nut that's attached to the tensioner pulley, and then we can make the adjustment from the bottom. And to loosen the nut, all we're going to need is a breaker bar and a shallow 14mm socket. So to adjust the tension, you're going to need a ratchet, an extension, and a 12mm socket. And then we need to go underneath the car. Alright, so from underneath, we've got our pulley system going on up here. We've got our alternator, and this is the tensioner pulley. This is the nut that we just loosened up. So if we follow that down, we've got this bolt right here, and that bolt is the tensioner bolt, and this is the tensioner itself. So if we make adjustments to this bolt, it's going to either loosen or tighten the entire pulley system, and that's how we're going to loosen it up so we can take off the Serpentine Belt. So just slide up now. Alright, and we'll see what that just did up here. So from up top, whoop, look at how much looser that is now. I don't know if it's quite loose enough, so we're just going to loosen it a little bit more. Alright, I loosened it up all the way. And now, wow, look how much slack there is. So now we should be able to just remove it. Now to tighten everything back up, we're just going to go underneath and do exactly the same thing, but in the opposite direction. And finally, to check the tension, we're going to use the tension checking points dictated by these triangles, which means mirror. And so we already know that's power steering pump. We got everything going on, and then we're going to be testing right here. Cool. All right. And actually, it looks like I got it spot on. You want to have a little bit of play, a little bit of give. It's not so tight that I think it would break or mess up any of these pulleys, and it's just tight enough that I believe all of these pulleys should be working perfectly. So when we start it up, hopefully it's not squealing, and this is a job well done. Otherwise, we'll make more adjustments. Yeah, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends, and definitely pick up one of our awesome MG Crew t-shirts available at zturnerdesigns.com/shop, the link in the description below. That is how to do your Serpentine Belt, and I want a whole bunch of you out there wearing these t-shirts working on your car, because that would be super duper awesome. See you next week.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
I think I got it. I'm not sure though. Gotta do one more time.